Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Eat Live and Love. So today I'll be talking about 5 Hindi underrated TV shows which most people don't know about, and they are, according to me, fantastic. They have the right ingredients and they have the perfect plot, and the acting is absolutely amazing. Hundreds of TV shows air every year and only a fraction of them actually are breakout hits, and there are a few TV shows which are, no matter how good they are, we skip them or we don't get to know about them and they may go unnoticed, but they have the perfect blend of everything. So I will be talking about that. These are the 5 underrated Hindi TV shows. So the first TV show that I would be talking about is known as Kaushiki. Now Kaushiki has stars who have acted brilliantly. I loved the plot, and the climax, it's absolutely awesome. It will keep you hooked till the end. So Kaushiki is a modern age thriller which is now available in View. So it has got only one season till now. It was released in 2018. So I just came across this TV show and started watching it, and I watched it constantly and I couldn't keep my phone away. And the star cast includes Shayani Gupta, Namit Das, Omkar Kapoor, Ranvijay Singh, and so on. They have acted brilliantly, and the storyline explores friendship, trust, loyalty with a background of crime and thriller. You will love it. You will absolutely love it. The plot is absolutely amazing. I recommend it to all my friends and family, and they have watched it and they have liked it as well. So I know for a fact that you will love it. The show revolves around a group of friends who from outside seems to be perfect, but as you delve into the characters, you will find that they have their own dark secrets. The plot tells you how secrets and lies can affect your friendship, your relationship and everything, and you will also be satisfied with the climax. It is so satisfying. I can say that the series began with a high note and it ended with high note. According to me, the rating is 9 out of 10. The second TV show that I would be talking about is known as Code M. You can watch this on ZEE5 app. In this TV show, Jennifer Winget, who is a very known figure, makes her debut in the digital world, and she makes an impressive debut. This show also has got mystery and you will love it. Jennifer Winget plays the role of an army lawyer, and this show depicts so many topics like casteism, homosexuality, honor killing, and so on. There are so many societal issues that are being shown in this TV show, and I have to tell you that this is a great show that you can spend hours on and you will binge watch it practically. Jennifer Winget's character has been shown as an army lawyer who has been given the responsibility to investigate an incident, but as she investigates, she finds that not everything that is there on the file is true, and she starts to investigate the whole matter. And this is how the storyline evolves, and you will know more if you watch the show. So I highly recommend this, and I will give this 8.5 out of 10. The third TV show that I would highly recommend is known as Andekhi. This you can watch on Sony Live. This is a very well crafted and intelligently scripted TV series, and it has got one season as of now, and this will keep you hooked till the end. The series starts off with a scene where a police officer is found dead, and the DSP of the area looks for the 2 tribal girls who are, according to them, are involved in this murder. But the 2 tribal girls have already fled to Manali, and they are to be performing in a stag party where a wedding is to take place. But what happens is that during that stag party, the father of the groom, he killed one of the tribal girls. It is highly interesting, and I would recommend that you should surely watch this, and you will thank me later for sure. And the plot thickens when we get to know that one of the wedding photographers have recorded the whole incident, and the whole family is looking out for that wedding photographer who has the whole incident recorded in his camera. So this is what the whole plot is about, and it's so interesting. And apart from the script, The series boasts of spectacular performance from all the actors. They are not very well-known actors except for a few, but I truly enjoyed the show and I can tell you that you will love this show. The fourth underrated Hindi TV show is The Riker Case. You can watch this on Woot Select. So this plot starts with a very tragic news where the son of a family, the Riker family, Tarun Riker, has been found dead, and the whole plot revolves around this death, and each and every episode is from a very different perspective and from the perspective of each and every family member. At the end of each episode you will feel that any of these family members may be responsible for the death. The episodes are highly intriguing, interesting, exciting. When the police starts investigating, the family members spill out secrets that we never knew before. The final episode, which is the climax, is highly intriguing, and you will be fully satisfied with the climax that they have provided with. And it is a wonderful watch where there is a mixture of thrill, mystery, romance, and enjoyed it thoroughly. So I recommend this to you. I will rate this 8 out of 10. The last Hindi TV show that I would be talking about is known as The Final Call. It stars Arjun Rampal, Sakshi Tanwar, Anupriya Goenka, and many other stalwart actors and actresses. The performances are brilliant, of course. It is a gripping story. This show is full of adrenaline pumping moments, and this is a story of a flight captain played by Arjun Rampal, who has decided to commit suicide on flight, and by doing this he has put 300 flight passengers' life in danger. And the ATS team, comprising of the character played by Sakshi Tanwar, jumps into action and tries to save the life of the passengers. Whether she is able to do that or not, you will see if you watch the series. It's totally gripping. Each and every scene is so intriguing. Acting, script, everything is on point, and I feel that these are the few Hindi TV shows that not many people know about, but they are, according to me, very good and watchable at least for once. And that is why I thought that I should share these with you. So that is it for today. Let me know how you like this video. Also, if you watch any of these shows, then let me know how you like it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like, share, and don't forget to click the bell button so that you get the notifications when a new video is uploaded. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay positive.